past Frognerseteren and now we are going to Vetterkollen. So my sister and the rest of the family, they went to Bygdøy, to a peninsula here in Oslo, and I'm going hiking. They obviously are not equipped to go hiking with me, especially not for such a long distance. I'm not sure if they're actually into hiking, so I think they rather play football, and my niece likes karate, so yeah, I think that's more their thing, which means I will enjoy hiking this trail through the forest by myself.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, staying in bed till Wednesday, feeling you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
I really hope you can hear me. I've hiked 3 kilometers so far and I have 2 more to go to Vetterkollen, and I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna take a break here at the stream. So pretty. And let's check out my lunchbox for today. For today's menu we have apple, 2 muffins, I have a wrap, falafel wrap, and a bun with chicken. I actually also have crackers, cheese, and a banana, which I think I'm sitting on. Maybe I should eat that as soon as possible. Yeah.
Jacket though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd and I think without eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. And a friend of a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or a spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over again.
I think I've been hiking for 9-10 kilometers, so I think I'm halfway. There's almost nobody here on that trail. I passed Vetterkollen, but I didn't climb up because it is very steep. There are a lot of rocks, and I mean my knees are a bit on risk to being injured, so yeah, I just don't want to risk it. And I had enough views today up at Holmenkollen, so yeah, it's not necessary. And then I continued to Sognsvann, which was a really nice trail. It was obviously a main trail, so it's very busy, but it was so fun. Green everywhere, like here. I didn't want to continue on the main trail, although it would definitely speed up my process. I mean, walk just so much slower here in the forest. I think it's great for strengthening your feet and getting more balance, and it's obviously also mentally more stimulating than walking on the main trails, but you can speed up so much more. Yeah. Well, we have the whole day. I don't even know what time it is. Probably something around 3, 4-ish. I'm lost in a way, and at the same time I'm not. I had a really fun day with my sister and her family. Obviously, as you could see, we went to Holmenkollen, the ski jumping hill, and we tried a ski simulator. So we were sitting in this capsule, and then we could kind of like at the same time jumping from a ski jumping hill, and the other thing was to go down as a skier, like super G. I think we were like 130 kilometers per hour on that trail. That was so cool, and obviously we were kind of like shaken up and like pushed to the side and everything. Wait. And yeah, and we all enjoyed it very much. And then we went up to the ski jumping tower. So we had a really nice view from up there. Yeah, and I think they continued their way to, because there's a second ski jumping hill, Midtstubakken, but I decided from that to continue hiking. Yeah, so once again, a wonderful day together with my family. I'm very, very grateful they came to visit, and I'm so happy we have so much fun together.
For the two of you, you wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy
Okay, I have 7 kilometers left. I took a longer break now, like 30 minutes. I definitely feel it in my feet, I definitely feel on my hips. But I really want to finish it. I don't know when to stop now, so we go for it. This is actually a really nice trail. I think I walked it like 3 weeks ago, so maybe you remember. So pretty. Today is beautiful. It really feels like summer. I think it's like 22 degrees, and we're actually going to Bygdøy, which is a peninsula, and I think we're just gonna spend some time at the beach. It's a nice place to stay for the afternoon, and we actually have reservations for an American restaurant called Døgnvill, which in my opinion has the best milkshake ever, because it's a very like thick shake, and they have like, I think, chocolate cookies in it, and it's so good. It's so good. So that's kind of like the plan for today. I already worked out. I did Grow with Joe, like a HIIT workout, and then did some total body Take Me to the Sea workout with Tone It Up, which was just kind of like a printable that I did. And I even studied some Spanish. I finished a book. I tidied up. I cleaned the kitchen. I mean, I was so productive this morning. And now I'm looking forward to see my sister, spending time with her and her family. And yeah, I think that's gonna be a beautiful day, and I'm happy you joining on that. goodbye to my sister and her husband and my niece, and yeah, it was kind of sad. It was really nice. They stayed for the whole week and explored so much from Oslo. Yeah, so that was really fun. And after that, I actually took the subway to Elingsrudåsen to first hike to Mariholte. And now I'm on my way. Yeah, I forgot where I am. I forgot where I'm going, but I know it's this trail, so that's all I know. And I mean, it's so beautiful outside. It's pretty warm, so I'm wearing my sports bikini because I kind of hope that I can dip into the water. We're very close to Nøklevann, which I think if you walk around it, it's like 8 or 10 kilometers, and I think that is just not enough since I have to train more 15 to 20, so that's why I'm kind of like walking around it and then back, and then I hope I end up with like maybe 15 kilometers today. But I did take a break at Mariholte and they had kombucha. It was so cool. They had kombucha with strawberry taste. It was really good. Now I'm hiking through the forest, and hope you enjoy some pictures and scenery from here because it's beautiful. How far I have to continue hiking. I just ate my dinner and ate a muffin and read some in my book, The Light Chasers. No, The Dark Side of the Light Chaser, right? And yeah, I think I will start packing, even though it's just stunning here. But we have to keep going. I wanna get home at one point, so yeah, we have to go.